Hi guys, it's Tonya and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing slash remixing and installing the Bobbi Boss Yumi Wig. It's a 13x6 unit. She came straight and I just went ahead and tried to like remix her to where I was happy with her. I did add some barrel curls, as you can see here. After combing them out, I really wasn't happy with the results. It just wasn't something that I liked going along with the color of the wig. I don't know why. So I went ahead and, maybe I was like, maybe I should add some layers. So I did add some layers, but it still wasn't hitting for me. So you'll see in the end, I just went ahead and did an updo, and you'll see, I'll explain more about it, but thanks for watching. I did pluck her. If you have any other questions, just hit me up in the comments below. Bye. Okay guys, so I'm back with the final results of what I did. Yo, I wore this wig, this is like the second day I'm wearing it, and I just was never satisfied with this unit the way I had it. As you saw in the first clip, I did some barrel curls. They came out really good. However, after I did some layers and cut it, something was just not there for me. And so I just did an updo, and then I left the barrel curls in the back, and then I was like, it just didn't seem right with the updo. So I kind of like straightened it and just left some waves at the bottom. So I like it now. Again, this is by Bobbi Boss. It is their style Yumi, and I have her in 2THHMB/BL, and she's a 13x6 unit. It says pre-plucked, but y'all know it's not really pre-plucked, you know. I feel like the only wig that was like super pre-plucked was that new Outre 5x5 units. Those is straight out of the box good, so get your hands on those. But yeah, I have this color. She came in all these other blended colors also, some other styles. I'll put the link, or not the link, I'll put where I purchased her in the description box. If you have any questions, just comment down below. If you want to see me recreate this style, holla at your girl in the description box. I'll definitely do that for you. Thanks for watching. Oh, don't forget to go to my beauty brand page, LUVME Beauty, where I feature 100% real makeup lashes. These are a style I have called Mariah. They are 25mm lashes. If you got big eyes like me, they look like normal lashes. If you have a smaller eye, you still like to wear big lashes, these are definitely a pair for you. And I also have excuse my sun background, I also have a page or a website where I sell the wigs that I am currently have reviewed and no longer want to wear. It's tonyam.bigcartel.com. I also have a Amazon. I also have an Amazon storefront. And that's basically it. Follow my Instagram and TikTok page. Thanks for watching.